What?
How do I start this? How do I start talking to people on a camera?
I don't.
Good morning!
That's how you start talking to people on the
Good morning! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching this. Today's fitness challenge is Math Mania. We're gonna be working on our fitness and also retaining that math that you've learned since the beginning of the school year. So today, what you will need is either sheets of paper, doesn't matter what kind, a marker, and or you can use a deck of cards for this as well. And I'll tell you in a little bit how you can use a deck of cards for this. You're gonna wanna cut out your paper in squares or little rectangles like this. And on some of your squares, you're gonna write down different workouts. So on these ones, one says dance, this one is front lunges. And then on my math card, I have a simple equation, 20 minus 7, which is 13. And on the back, you can always write the answer just in case you're doing this with a partner, you guys can check each other. The thing with the math, you want it to be grade level appropriate. So if you or if your kiddo is in elementary school, kindergarten, you want to make sure that the math is very, very simple. If you are in middle school, high school, you can challenge yourself. I will say you don't necessarily want to do a lot of big numbers unless the big number minus the big number or whatever you're saying equals a reasonable amount of repetitions for your exercise. For example, one of the ones that I did by accident equaled 93. I don't think you want to do 93 push-ups. So we put that card to the side. Make sure that things are good repetition amounts for you or for your partner. Now, when it comes to the cards, ye old deck of cards, I hope you like my son's Pokemon cards. He's obsessed. It's basically the same as this. If you don't want to do it math-wise or you don't have paper, you can use a deck of cards. So if I were to flip this is a 5 of, it looks like diamonds. So I would do 5 of whatever exercise I pull. So I would pull the number and then I pull the exercise. So I do 5 front lunges. Now for face cards can get tricky. They're kind of up to you. So if I were to pull a jack, a king, a queen, whatever, you could do 11, you could do 15, just as long as it's bigger than 10, because of course you have a 10. So that is up to you entirely. How do you go about it? Well, once you're done writing and cutting your little squares, you'll put your math somewhere in front of you, you'll put your exercises somewhere in front of you, and you pull the math one first, you get your number, and then you pull your exercise, and then you complete that. You can do it with a partner and switch off. You can do it with your family and you guys all do the same one at the same time. It's really, really up to you, but the importance of this is that you go for time. So if you or your little kid is under 10 years old, you want to make sure that you're reaching their attention span. So anywhere between 5 and 10 minutes is gonna be best for them. So you want them to do this for between 5 and 10 minutes. As we get older, you can increase the time by 2 to 3 minutes per age. So 6th grade, 15 to 12 minutes. Then as you get older, you can go up to about 20 minutes with this, which is super, super fun. Today, me and Eli went for close to probably 10 minutes, 5 minutes. It was awesome. I got really tired. Eli killed it. I hope you guys love his burpees. And that, my friends, is Math Mania. So I hope you have fun with this workout. 34.
No, 33.
34!
33!
I looked on the back.
Did I put 33? I did put 33. But it equals 34.